Meet Mike. Mike owns a small contracting business, providing concrete and drain services for customers throughout southern Ontario. Business is doing well, and Mike believes that he can expand it if he can spend more time with his customers and less time with his accountant and all the paperwork needed. He has issues with Revenue Canada and workmen's compensation. Payments to suppliers are late and often inaccurate. He is never sure what receivables are still outstanding to him. He does not know if all his jobs are profitable so that he can adjust future quotes. He pays high fees to an accounting firm at the end of the year to get his books in order. Mike met with Ron Wells of Wells Accounting, who explained the remote controller, a new concept that will provide virtual accounting to contractors. The remote controller accounting software is shared with him in the cloud and does not require site visits. Mike is now equipped with an app on his mobile device that allows him to prepare estimates for his clients. Once the estimate is accepted, the remote controller will set up a new job and send his client an invoice for a deposit. Based on the payment terms, future invoices are prepared for each milestone. Mike can now send purchase orders from his app for material and labor for the job. His suppliers have been instructed to provide their banking information and send bills to a special email address created for Mike's business. They will be paid through direct deposit, saving them a trip to the bank. The remote controller will post the bills as a payable with the image attached to the transaction for future analyses. If Mike receives paper bills, he can simply take a picture of them with the app that will route the image automatically to the remote controller. In fact, he can take pictures of any document affecting accounting, including receipts for gasoline or client meals. There are no checks to be printed, signed, put in envelopes, and postage attached. Mike has only to give approval from his mobile, wherever he may be located. Mike's employees work on an hourly basis and are able to record their time on the job using the mobile app. Their pay will also be direct deposited to their bank account. All withholdings will be filed and remitted to Canada Revenue Agency, along with HST. The accounting software is connected directly to his business bank account and credit card, so the balances are always up to date and reconciled. Mike is now aware of any overdue invoices that have yet to be paid. Since payables and receivables are always up to date, Mike is able to view the profitability of each job and manage his cash flow from his mobile. Mike's truck is depreciated each month, and accruals are made for other annual expenses so that the records are accurate and audit-ready. The remote controller is always available to discuss his finances, provide comparisons to his peers in the industry, and suggest business improvements. Mike feels he has the support of a professional on his team now. Because the remote controller takes advantage of all available technology, efficiencies are passed on to Mike and his business in the form of a very low fixed monthly fee. Mike now has more time to grow his business and employ more workers. The remote controller will grow with Mike, and when he is ready, he can upgrade the service to a higher level, permitting more functionality in managing his employees and jobs. Wells Accounting Services, accounting for your success.